Wow, Katie, it smells amazing in here.
Thanks, I'm melting my Liquid Luck Wax Tart with my Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. This month with the Simply Earth Recipe Box, we're teaching you how to make your own wax melts using essential oils, which are natural and wonderful and great.
They smell amazing.
To make your own wax melts, you're gonna grab your Simply Earth Recipe Box. You also need your big bonus box. And from our boxes, we're gonna grab our labels and our recipe card. Our cute little leaf molds, which make your wax melts look adorable. And the essential oil we are going to be using is Liquid Luck.
And from your bonus box, you are going to grab your beeswax and your solid coconut oil.
Easy peasy, let's get started.
To start, you're gonna wanna grab your beeswax and your solid coconut oil and grab a tablespoon of each. And we are going to melt this in the microwave at intervals of 30 seconds.
You can also melt it in a double boiler. We're gonna melt it and it's gonna be the wax for our wax melts.
Now that our coconut and beeswax mixture is melted, I'm gonna add 15 drops of Liquid Luck.
Before you add your essential oil, it's good to let your wax cool a bit so that the essential oil stays in the wax and doesn't immediately evaporate due to heat. So about 145 degrees is about the temperature you want to add essential oil at. Once that's ready, we can pour the wax into our molds. Now we'll set this aside to totally cool, and then when it's solid, we can remove it from the molds. When they're done, remove them from the mold, and you've got these adorable little leaf wax melts that you can use that are perfect for fall.
They smell amazing.
And if you don't have a wax warmer, you can use these with potpourri. Just add it to a potpourri mix that you have, or make your own scented pine cones, which we have a recipe on our blog for, and other dried spices.
For more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box and don't forget to hit that subscribe now button.
You're going to love learning how to make your own wax melts. They smell so good and use essential oils, and you're gonna love having those more natural products in your home. You're just gonna feel more confident that your home is safe.
Thanks for watching.